everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Philips Hue Bridge not connecting to internet, router, Ethernet and app troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check the Ethernet cable. Make sure the Ethernet cable is connected to the Hue Bridge and your router. Then unplug and reconnect the cable securely and try a different Ethernet cable if the problem continues. Fix 2. Restart the Hue Bridge and router. Unplug the Hue Bridge and router from power and wait for 30 seconds. Now plug the router back in and wait for it to fully restart. Then plug the Hue Bridge back in and check if it connects. Fix 3. Factory reset the Hue Bridge. Keep the Hue Bridge powered on and press and hold the reset button on the back for about 10 seconds using a paper clip. Now wait for the bridge to restart and set up the bridge again in the Hue app. Fix 4. Check the Hue Bridge lights. Look at the lights on the top of the Hue Bridge and make sure the power, network, and internet lights are solid. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.